Greetings, beings of light in your physical incarnations, celebrating or experiencing time as you know it. Today, we wish to discuss with you field work. Now, in your various occupations, field work means a great many things. From our perspective and what we wish for you to concentrate on is the field of intelligence. All of nature is a field of intelligence. All of nature, visible and invisible, has supporting energies and guiding information and loving expressions for you. Now, in some cases, you must draw them out by honoring and respecting them and vibrating high enough so that those particular forms of consciousness deem you worthy. But we are asking you to connect intelligently and consciously with your environment, especially the natural environment, those things which have not been tainted by, by mankind or the efforts and actions and intents of mankind. For there is nothing that you have created in your physical form, in your physical reality, in your environment that will not serve you. That is the purpose. You have created it and immersed yourself in it in some ways. So when you are stuck, you have other options to provide you with information and guidance other than your higher self by reaching out to the rocks, the trees, the grasses, the floor of the forest, the flowers, even the weeds. They all can assist you and are willing to do so if you take the time and allow your consciousness to access the field of information that those beings have for you. So go play in your day and remember the fields, and everywhere you look, know it is made by you, for you, to help and guide you. And we love you.